Okay, so this week we are looking at, this is Module 6, Integer and Nonlinear Programming. And what's kind of nice about these is we can deal with a particular type of an integer being binary. If you've had, many computer science classes, binary is 0 or 1, 0 off, 1 is on. And so within your textbook, this first example of this capital budgeting is they're looking at a decision whether to undertake a project or not. And so we're given these 5 projects that we want to be able to plan. We have the available funds. And so you can see that you can actually set up a decision variable whether the project is selected or not. And I'll show you that in the code, actually pretty easy to do. And then of course we want to maximize once again our expected returns. So you can see that that is our returns right here, this column. And this of course is going to be our constraints based on our expenditures. And so I can bring the code right here and you can see just our normal setup of our model. And the difference here now is, notice we're going to use binary. And so it's either going to be a 0 or a 1 if the project is used. You can see how I set up the actual model, and then of course our constraints. And if I run this, I do get which were selected and then my optimal solution, just as it shows in the textbook.